Hey, it's Rhonda Brzozowiec coming to you today from snowy Buffalo, New York. I have my Buffalo Strong sweatshirt on, repping the Bills because we're going to go to the Super Bowl this year. I can feel it. But anyways, I wanted to come on here really quick. I'm not going to keep you long. Talk about a new opportunity that I literally just joined a day ago. And this is not another training platform. We all know there's a lot of those out there, right, that are all excellent. This is something totally different, which really sparked my interest. So it has to do with software. You're going to be actually sharing software. We all know that, business owners, marketers, everybody, you need these tools, right, to work your business online. So I'm super excited about it. It's very easy. They actually give you a phone number. You're going to see my phone number. And I actually made a landing page also for my business downstairs down below. That's my website and my phone number. You can call or text. You can go to the website. You can check it out. There's a couple videos that have tons and tons of information. So I'm not going to get into all the details here. But the cool thing about it is they actually have AI that does all the work for you. So there's a lot of us, right? You don't like to do the follow-up, being a messenger, texting, emails, whatever, right? So this actually has an AI bot that does all the follow-up for you. It's so cool, easy to do, and it is going to be worth tons and tons of value. The best part about it is you also get instant commissions for sharing this. It's $200. So there's already teammates. This just launched. There's already teammates that are already selling hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of this. It's going to be, like I said, it's in pre-launch right now. So it's super exciting. It's a great time to get in. And it's only $200 to get in. And the good thing about it is you also get direct pay. So you can set up your pay to go wherever you want. So for me, I have PayPal, I have Venmo, I have Bitcoin, I have Zelle. You can pick, there's like a plethora of choices that you can pick. However you want, you can have one, two, or you can have them all so that people have multiple choices, right, on how they want to pay. Get started, and it's like instant. You get a nice website that has these videos. So if you want some more information, like I said, you can either text or you can call that number below, or you can go to that website and watch these videos. Tons of information. I do have some bonuses for people who join with me. I have some pre-made graphics for you to share on social media. I also have an ebook for those of you who don't have it yet. It's a Millionaire Mindset Affirmations ebook that I will share with you once you join my team, and I will also share those graphics with you. So those are a couple bonuses that I have for anybody who joins me. Once again, check it out. You know how to reach me. Reach me on Facebook, or you can reach me on any of the social media channels, but Facebook is probably the best one. Just send me a message if you have any questions, and I'm happy and excited to get you started.